Everyone wants a chiseled, aesthetic face, but most of you look like a Picasso painting. You think facial asymmetry is just bad luck? It's not. It's a reflection of your lazy habits. If you don't fix your symmetry right now, you won't look like a lead actor. You'll look like you're melting. Here is the 5-step blueprint to fixing your face. Pay attention or stay cooked. Step 1. Unilateral overload. Your face is a system of muscles, not a piece of granite. You've spent 20 years chewing only on your right side like a cow. What did you think would happen? You've built up one side of your jaw and let the other side atrophy. Stop it. From today, you chew exclusively on your weak side. It's going to feel weird and your jaw will get tired. Do it anyway. If you can't balance your bite, you'll never balance your face. Step 2. The gravity trap. You spend 8 hours every night crushing one side of your face into a pillow. You are literally terraforming your own skull with the weight of your head. Side sleeping is a death sentence for symmetry. It flattens the cheekbone and makes your eye droop. The fix is simple. Sleep on your back. If you can't discipline yourself to stay on your back, don't complain when you look like a half-melted candle in your tagged photos. Step 3. Tongue posture, mewing. If your tongue is sitting at the bottom of your mouth, you've already lost. Your tongue is the internal support beam for your face. When it's not pressed against the roof of your mouth, your mid-face collapses and your jaw narrows unevenly. Proper tongue posture isn't a trend. It's how humans are designed to breathe. Seal your lips, teeth slightly touching, tongue on the roof. Fix your posture or enjoy the recessed chin. Step 4. Muscular dominance. Most of you have a dominant side of your neck in traps. If your shoulders are slanted, your head tilts. When your head tilts, your facial muscles compensate by pulling unevenly. You don't have a bad jaw, you have a crooked spine. Get to a gym, fix your traps, and level your shoulders. A balanced face starts at the collarbone. If your foundation is tilted, the house will be too. Step 5. The inverted reality. Stop crying about the inverted filter. The reason you look weird to yourself isn't because you're ugly, it's because you're addicted to your mirror image. It's a psychological trick called the mere exposure effect. The rest of the world sees you inverted every day. They don't see the 2mm eye tilt you're obsessed with. They see your lack of confidence because you're hiding from the lens. Fix what you can, then shut up and own your look. Symmetry is a discipline, not a gift. You either commit to the habits or you stay lopsided. There is no middle ground. Subscribe if you want the truth, or keep scrolling if you'd rather stay mediocre. See you in the next one.